The Youth Wing Shillong City of the United Democratic Party had recently elected the new executive members, where Manbhalang Syiemlieh was elected as president. At a meeting held on 14th May 2022 at the party office in Shillong, several decisions had been taken by the Executive Committee of the Youth Wing to enable the strengthening of the party in its preparation for the 2023 general elections in the state. Speaking on various decisions taken by the Youth Wing of the UDP, Manbhalang Syiemlieh said that the party needs participation of the youth towards contributing to its success in the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections of the state in 2023. Syiemlieh added that the young people in the party are well equipped with knowledge and capability to help strengthen the party in the state.
Today's meeting, 14th of May 2022, the United Democratic Party, Youth Wing Shillong City, has appointed the new members of the Executive Committee. And on this very day, we have taken few resolutions with regard to the movement of the party on various issues. The next upcoming election, the party will work together with all the districts of Meghalaya, with all the constituencies of Meghalaya, to make sure that the party will come back to power. Not only that the party will be in the government, but the party will lead the government. As we know that in our party, our MLAs, most of them are having a young face, not only in their physical nature, but as well in their minds. So I urge, I request, I welcome our young, talented, our young people of the state of Meghalaya to consider this party this time, and you will see wonders will be created in the next government.
On decisions taken at the meeting held today, the newly elected president informed that discussions were held on the exemption of students of Meghalaya from the Common University Entrance Test for admission to undergraduate studies in the state. Syiemlieh added that it is high time that Meghalaya, like any other state, should have a state university to prevent students from facing any sort of problems while aspiring for higher studies. A discussion on unemployment problems had also taken place, whereby the youth wing of the party has decided to urge upon the government to come up with skill development institutes and programs across the state to encourage young unemployed persons to hone their skills in order to stand on their own feet rather than rely on government jobs alone.
The first issue is with regard to education. In the past months, we have seen the problems faced by our students who have completed their class 12 examinations. When the notification comes from the central government with regard to the Central University Common Entrance Test, where our students, young students, have to register themselves in this portal in order to continue their studies in their graduation. And I don't know whether this exemption from the central government will be only of this year or it will continue. But what has opened our eyes is this, that it is a high time for the government, like any other states of the Northeast, that we should have our own state university, which will cater to the needs of the students, especially when they want to continue their higher studies with regard to education. Thirdly, with regard to unemployment, this has been faced by our youths for so many years now. It's not the first time that I am telling this publicly, but it's been many years the Youth Wing of Shillong City has raised these issues of unemployment and among the both educated and uneducated youths, where our party since then has requested the government to take a serious matter on this, where programs should be conducted to uplift our youths. I understand that with regard to government job is quite difficult. We from Meghalaya, the youths are very well educated, very talented, and I believe that without government jobs, they can also stand on their own feet by promoting their talents, promoting their wisdom, promoting their knowledge. So various programs the government needs to conduct with regard to this.